Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Avid Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding Premier League table ranking part 3. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Panda schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called SeasonStats with various different columns. The combined column season ID and team ID is the unique key for this table. This table contains season ID, team name, matches played, wins, draws, losses, goals scored, that is goals for, and goals conceded, goals against for each team in each season. We are asked to write a solution to calculate the points, goal difference, and rank for each team in each season. The ranking should be determined as follows. Teams are first ranked by their total points, highest to lowest. If the points are tied, teams are then ranked by their goal difference, highest to lowest. If there is a tie still, teams are then ranked alphabetically by the team name. 3 points for a win, 1 for a draw, and 0 for a loss. And goal difference is calculated by goals for minus goals against. Okay, return the result table ordered by season ID in ascending order, then by rank in ascending order, and finally by team name in ascending order. Let's go through this example. Let me just drag it to the right so that it's easier for us to visualize. Okay, so here we have season ID. So there is one season 2021, then 2022. Okay, and in 2021, we have five different teams: Manchester City, Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham, and Arsenal. And we have all the wins, draws, losses, goals for, goals against, etc. So what we need is in our final output, we need the season ID, we need the team ID, we need the team name, and then we can use the wins, draws, and losses column to calculate the points. Basically, wins multiplied by 3 plus draws multiplied by 1 plus losses multiplied by 0. That gives you the total points. Then, if you subtract goals for and goals against, you get the goals difference. And then, based on that, we can rank. And that is what we have here, right? So, to solve this question, what we need to do is let us calculate the total points and goal difference first because they can be directly calculated using the columns here, and then we can proceed from there. So what we need is from this table, right? So from this table called season stats, what are we supposed to keep? We need only few columns. So return season ID, return me the team ID, and return me the team name. And now let us use the wins, draws, and losses column to calculate the points. So if I do this, that once you have a win, wins multiplied by 3 plus draws multiplied by 1 plus losses multiplied by 0. Right, so let us look at the column. What is the exact names of the column? So it's losses multiplied by 0, and that is going to give you the total points, right? This is points, and then we need to calculate the difference of the goals. So we do goals for minus, right, goals for, and then goals against. So goal against. Okay, and we should alias this as whatever is required in our output. It should be goals difference. So let me just copy this here, paste it here. Now, let me go ahead and run this and let's see what do we get in our output. So, if you look at this output, let me just drag it to the left. What we have is season ID, team name, points, and goal difference. And the only column that is left, if you look at our output, is the position column, right? We have all these season ID, team name, points, goal difference, and we need the position. Position is being calculated for each season based on the certain rules that are given in this question. So what we do is let us save this entire thing in a common table expression. So with CTE as this entire thing goes into parentheses, and then what we are doing is from this common table expression, keep all the columns that we currently have, and then we need to perform the rank. Now ranking needs to be done in a certain way. Teams are ranked by the total points, then by the goal difference, and by alphabetical name. So we can use any of the three methods that you need to rank: row number, rank, dense rank. So let us go ahead and do row number in this case. So row number, and we need it for every season. So we write over partition by season ID, and then it should be order by points in decreasing manner. If there is a tie, by goal difference in decreasing manner. If there is still a tie, then by team name, and this should be aliased as position. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. Okay, even though this says accepted, there's still a lot of things to be done. So if we look at this, our output has the position column as well now. But the question says that the output should be ordered in a certain way. That means it should be, or you should return the output by order by season ID in ascending order, then by position in ascending order, and then by team name in ascending order. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. If we look at our output is exactly same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit to see pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted and this is how do it. So not a difficult question. What we basically did was, firstly, we kept all the columns that we need and calculated the points column using the wins, draws, and losses column. And then we calculated the goal difference by subtracting the goals for and goals against. Once we had those required columns, we simply used the ranking function, that is row number. For every season, we ordered by points in decreasing manner, then goal difference in decreasing, and team name in alphabetical manner, and ordered the output by season ID, position, and team name in ascending order. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.